gotta sit like this. Works out better for me. Can't record an old lady. It's an old lady. Dude, I don't see anyone.
What you looking at, bro?
Bro, I'm looking at a fucking empty bus, and that's a problem.
You didn't even, what did you hit up today? Nobody, huh?
I didn't hit up anyone. I just figured we'd freestyle it. You know what I mean? I figured
Yeah,
we'll
last
just
time.
drive around and fuck it, you know? We'll fucking...
Yeah, last time.
None of those fucking guys were available. Nobody was available, dude. Everybody was busy. I think fucking... The douchebag went like on a gay retreat. Peter was on vacation with his boyfriend. You know?
I think I'm gonna just turn in here, bro. See what we find.
Turn in somewhere. This is fucking a bunk mission. There's no fucking girls anywhere. Right? The girls are shopping right now, bro. We gotta go to a fucking mall. Yeah, go to shopping. Last time we freestyled this, we ended up with like an hour throwaway. Yo, it's not like you got anything to do or anywhere to go.
Abuela! Alright, let's see what we find here, bro.
Oh, look, girl with a dude.
Girl with a dude. Yeah, she got a fat ass, though. God damn. Old lady. Don't even look that way, bro.
Oh, lady. Nothing that way.
Nothing, bro.
Nothing.
What is going on around here, bro?
All our spots are fucking burned.
Yeah, we can't go. We can't keep going.
Hey,
Right.
hey.
Oh, no, she walked away. Whack.
Oh, man. Wait, you just getting out?
No. Look at that cougar over there.
Yo, you know what? Pull over, dude. Let me get my phone. Pull over there.
What? What the fuck you
Pull
gonna
over.
do?
I'm gonna look through my phone for a
Oh,
second.
you got
Hold
some
on.
hoes? You got hoes?
No, we got, we shot a couple, new girls last week. Pull up right there. Just pull up to the fucking...
Alright.
So I put this camera down. Go straight. Someone's gonna honk in a couple seconds.
What the fuck you gonna do?
Alright, here we go. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Let's see here. Alright. Let's see. What the fuck was her name?
Yeah, don't call any trannies up. I know you have the tranny tendency, so.
No, I'm not going through the tranny section. No tranny section.
Dude, we should just hit them up on Craigslist, bro. That should be our new thing,
Craigslist?
you know? If you any... That'll be funny, bro.
So, let's see here. No. Let me try her. Remember that girl we shot outside?
Yeah, I remember.
That one new girl? That amateur girl?
Yeah.
With the tattoos? Hey, hello? Hey. Yeah, it's Bang Bros.
It's Bang Bros.
Yeah, it's Bang Bros. Yeah. You're the, Jesse. You remember me.
Joey.
Yeah, anyways, listen, what are you doing right now? I'm trying to shoot a scene right now, and we're having a fucking terrible fucking time right now trying to find anyone. Are you available? No, like today, like right now. Like I'm like fucking text me your address, and I'll be there right now to pick you up. But it's got to be right now. Yeah, anything. Just put anything on, and I'll fucking pick you up. You ready?
She's game?
Yeah, she's good. She's good. All right, what area you? Where do you live?
Tell her to text me.
What area?
Text you, whatever.
All right. Yeah, just text me. All right, peace.
She's down to work?
Yeah. She lives south.
Nice. We're going to South Miami.
South Miami, baby. Yo, you'll remember her.
Yeah, this girl's got money then, huh?
Yeah, Alexis was her name.
Alexis.
You don't remember, huh?
Texas?
No, man. Yeah, you wish, right? You wish Alexis, Texas. Nah.
Shit, I'll go pick her up right now.
All the way to
all the way in Texas, man.
All the way in Texas?
Yeah, that's right, bro. Let's get the fuck out of here.
No, man, this is 8175, bro.
Fucking lost. I think we passed it.
Go back. I think it was on that corner, like you said. It was that one fucking building, bro. Come on, man.
Fucking building.
We fucking got a girl. We called her. I hooked it up, and we still can't find her. You're a fucking idiot. That's it. You're fucking fired, bro. After this fucking scene, that's it. People at home,
turn in your application.
say goodbye to this fucking douchebag. He's gone. He is no longer going to be driving the bus. He is fired officially today. He's fired. All right. We'll let him finish out his job today, but it's officially done after this.
So if any of you guys want to drive, send in your applications at
Yeah, tell him, give me your email. Go ahead. Give me your email. See how much fucking junk email you get.
At Joey.
Yeah, give him your email. They'll send you a bunch of fucking. Everyone send a picture of your balls to this guy. Fucking.
Look, Jesus. It's right. Look, it's right.
I told you it was this corner one.
Yeah, but you already know we can't fucking get into this building because there's a fucking gate. So call her. I don't know what you want to do.
Dude, she's right there, you idiot.
Is it? I don't remember seeing this girl.
She's right there. Look at her.
Taking a selfie, of course.
You taking selfies of yourself?
Of course.
Hey, get on in.
Woo!
Hey, oh, I remember her. Come on.